Ganapati Bappa. So guys, let's start making. We need desiccated coconut, condensed milk, elaichi powder, empty bowl, this cup for measurement, spoon, food colors, Modak mold. Let's begin. Add 4 cups desiccated coconut. 1 cup, here's 1 cup. 2 cups. Third cup. Fourth cup. 2 cups condensed milk. 1 cup. Add 1 more cup. Mix it properly and make a fine dough. Mix it properly. I want to mix it up. Mix it properly. Add 2 tablespoons elaichi powder. 1, 2. Then mix it. Ta-da-da-da! Dough is ready. Apply ghee on your hand. Rub. Make a round balls. Round it. Ta-da-da-da! It's ready. Add food colors. Open. Add food colors. Make a colorful balls. Take Modak mold. Open. Apply some ghee. Take a first glue my face. And put here everywhere. Here, everywhere. Here, press it properly. Close it. Is meeting or not? Down one we should do a squish. Maybe it's ready. Let's maybe take out. Let me check. Get out. Get out. Open. Then make it out. Look, this Modak. It's so beautiful. Let's see over here. On this paper. Let me get out. Keep on here with pink. Ta-da-da! Modak is ready. Garnish Modak using this coconut powder. Little bit and sprinkle to pulpal. Little bit more here and here. Look, the purple one is done. Last one is orange. Yeah. Look, our Modak is ready. It's out to taste. Ta-da-da-da! Modak is ready. I want to taste some. I'll taste now. Sit down. I want to taste some. Delicious. It was so delicious. I love it so much. You can try at your home. Mom and Mayra. MOMNNMAYRA. Mom and Mayra. Bye. I love you, friends. Bye. I love you, teachers. I love you, friends. Bye. But